Introduction to HTML lists. Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to create lists in HTML. HTML supports two main types of lists, ordered and unordered. An ordered list is numbered, perfect for sequential steps or rankings. An unordered list, on the other hand, is marked with bullet points, ideal for lists that don't follow a specific order. Both list types are created using the all or OL tags. Let's dive in and see how these work in HTML. Creating an ordered list. Let's take a closer look at the ordered list. In HTML, an ordered list uses the OL tag, with each item inside an li tag. This list is automatically numbered in the browser, making it perfect for instructions, steps, or any sequence. You can also change the list type to use different numbering styles, like Roman numerals or letters. Here's an example of a simple ordered list. Creating an unordered list. Next, let's create an unordered list. This type of list uses the all tag, and each item is still wrapped in an li tag. Unordered lists display bullet points by default, but you can change the bullet style using the type attribute, selecting options like circle, disk, or square. Unordered lists are great for simple collections that don't need ordering. Nested lists. HTML allows you to create nested lists by adding a list inside a list item. This feature is useful when you need to categorize items or create substeps within a larger list. For example, let's create a grocery list with categories, where each main item includes a sublist. To achieve this, simply add an all or OL inside an li tag. For the full lecture note on HTML, please visit tangailuzone.com/education. Using descriptive lists. Lastly, there's a unique type of list, called the descriptive list, created with the DL tag. This list is perfect for terms and descriptions, often used in glossaries or definitions. Within a descriptive list, the DT tag marks the term, and the DD tag provides the description. Here's an example of how to create a list of terms and descriptions in HTML.